Hello friends, let us discuss about sickle cell anemia. Why this is called as sickle cell anemia? Because in this RBCs are sickle shaped. Briefly, we will discuss about sickle cell anemia. It is an autosomal recessive disease. In this, there is point mutation at 6th position of beta chain. 6th position of beta chain, there is point mutation. Normally, glutamate is present at 6th position of beta chain, whereas in this sickle cell anemia, this glutamate is replaced by valine. So, in sickle cell anemia, valine is present at 6th position of beta chain. So, there is formation of HbS. This sickle cell anemia occurs in homozygous condition. It occurs in homozygous condition. This sickle cell hemoglobin enters the tissue. In tissues, there is deoxygenation of hemoglobin occurs. Deoxygenation of hemoglobin occurs, which forms the sickle cell hemoglobin, and it will polymerize. This will polymerize and form the sickle cell. The shape will be like sickle. Like this, the RBC becomes. Normal shape of RBC is discoid shaped. Normally, it will be discoid shaped. But in this sickle cell anemia, the RBC becomes sickle shaped. So, this process is called as sickling. Here you can see discoid shaped normal RBC, whereas in sickle cell anemia, there is sickle shaped RBC. What are the factors that precipitate sickling? Precipitating factors: hypoxia, dehydration, acidosis, hemoglobin C. These are the factors that will precipitate the formation of sickle cells. What are the inhibitors of sickling? What are the inhibitors? Inhibitors are hemoglobin A and hemoglobin F. That is fetal hemoglobin. This is the most potent. What are the clinical manifestations of this sickle cell anemia? This sickle cell also enters the spleen. In spleen, it causes lysis and it causes anemia. There is increased production of erythropoietin and bone marrow erythropoiesis occurs. This sickle cell in the spleen can also block the small vessel, which will cause ischemia. It can cause ischemia, which in turn cause infarct. So this is called as vascular crisis. One of the manifestation of sickle cell anemia, vascular crisis. There is something called as hand and foot syndrome. Hand and foot syndrome. That means there is pain in hands and foot. There can be gangrene of digits because there is block in the small vessels, which can cause gangrene of the digits. Similarly, we have chest syndrome. Patient will be having chest pain and there can be autosplenectomy. Autosplenectomy. Infarct in the spleen. So, spleen is replaced by fibrosis. So, there is functional asplenia. Similarly, this sickle cell can cause increased sequestration in the spleen, which causes sequestration crisis. Sequestration crisis. Sequestration crisis occurs in sickle cell anemia, whereas there is one more terminology called as aplastic crisis. This occurs in the infection of parvovirus. Parvovirus. B19 virus. What are the clinical features of sickle cell anemia? As name suggests, the hemoglobin will be less. There is episodic anemia and jaundice, and there is episodic crisis manifestation. Usually, this sickle cell anemia occurs after 6 months of age, because less than 6 months of age, there is presence of fetal hemoglobin, that is HbF, which inhibits the formation of sickling. So it will be usually seen after the age of 6 months. On peripheral smear, we can find sickle cell, that is sickle shaped RBC, and we can see target cell and reticulocytosis. What is the treatment of this sickle cell anemia? We can give hydroxyureas, because this will increase the fetal hemoglobin. It increases the HbF, hydroxyureas. And we can give intermittent blood transfusion. There is something called as sickle cell trait. It is a heterozygous condition. Whereas sickle cell anemia is homozygous condition. In this, there is presence of normal hemoglobin also. In this, normal hemoglobin is also present and HbS is also present. But this HbA prevents the sickling. So, the patient will be asymptomatic. So, in this session, we have discussed about sickle cell anemia. Friends, if you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.